Hope you guys are doing well. My name is EQ and welcome to Stonkaholics. So today we're going to be going over one of my favorites. I'm actually surprised I haven't made a video on Enjin yet. I had to backtrack and look through all my videos, but I have not. Now this is one of my go-tos. This is one I bought early back when I got some VET and Elrond, and Enjin was the other one. This was when they started releasing their information about real estate tokens and getting more into the NFT world, and JumpNet, which we'll discuss a little bit later. But Enjin's been on my radar for a while. I think it can definitely be a top 15, top 20 project. We're currently ranked at 70 at $1.27 a token, a $1 billion market cap, a circulating supply of 834 million, which is 83% of its max supply, which is going to be 1 billion. Enjin started as a gaming token, and slowly but surely they've built out to create their own Ethereum scaling network. Now they have their own ecosystem. It is a massive project with tons of potential upside. I think we've only just seen the tip of the iceberg with Enjin. I will speak highly of this one because I consistently trade this all the time. This is one of my go-tos. If you're in our Discord group, you know I talk about Enjin a pretty good amount. Enjin was created in 2017, and since then it has more than 2 billion NFTs. So Enjin Coin is infused into NFTs through a process called minting. This process can be reversed. Every NFT can be melted back into coin. Enjin has a real life value, meaning that all NFTs created with it have real value too. These NFTs exist on the blockchain, which make them more powerful. So for example, your entire gaming inventory can be on your phone, featuring a sword that you can use in multiple games, which you can sell easily to anyone at any time. And to make it all possible, they created an ecosystem which is fueled by Enjin Coin. Enjin believes virtual worlds of tomorrow will evolve into an interconnected digital reality. More than simulations, these new realms will empower us to create real-world value while having fun. So going into the NFT minting, you can create them with a click, use a simple visual interface to create and manage NFTs and fungible tokens. So stackable, unique, tradable, limited, finite, and bound. You can earn automated revenue, get paid automatically when users trade digital assets peer-to-peer or via the Enjin marketplace. Enjin also created JumpNet, which is going to be a forever free Ethereum scaling. We're going to be able to do instant, secure, carbon negative, and free on-chain NFT and Enjin Coin transactions. So it's a permanent bridge between virtual worlds. It connects Ethereum, Affinity, and JumpNet, and it allows you to easily mint and port tokens onto multiple chains without worrying about gas fees. The JumpNet Carbon is negative. It offers a green, cost-efficient solution for creators, developers, and businesses to create and distribute and integrate NFTs. This is massive. Keep in mind that Enjin is from Japan, so it is an Asian company. Now you're talking about China and all these other things going on where they're taking out mining and taking out the Bitcoin miners because of the carbon footprint and because they're using coal. And now China is going to start changing their incentives so that you would only be able to have a mining facility if you're using solar power or something like that. Within their docs page, you can go through everything, all their API functions, managing metadata, wallet daemons, SDKs, APIs, Discord, all that kind of stuff is on here if you want to go through it all. Another thing I do like about Enjin is that it has really good tokenomics. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, Enjin also partnered with real estate companies, and they're trying to make tokenized real estate so the average person can buy an investment in a massive hotel, anything like that. And looking at the chart that we have here, we can see that Enjin did get a nice little support bounce and moved up. Now we're hitting some major resistance at the moment. Around this area is where we're getting that major resistance. And here's our bottom support. So if we're not able to hold, the things I'm looking for would be for price to come down and retest here, or if we can stay up float or even find a support hold in this general area, we could continue to move up. These are one of the projects that I'm hoping can disconnect from Bitcoin and the rest of this market, or even if it doesn't disconnect, at least do and perform better than the other coins during a bear cycle or this bear leg, whatever you want to call it. Now a long-term price prediction. So we've seen price of Enjin go all the way up to around $4. We're currently sitting at $1 and around 25 cents. So we got some space to grow on this, almost a 4 times move to get to the top, a little bit shy of that. So the massive head and shoulders that was produced that created this inverse move is a little more clear on this, and especially with the whole moving average, you can see it like night and day. And we finally broke this long-term downtrend that we've been following since price has been dropping in April. Now this is still being dictated by the current market situation, so we might even see this go down to around 8 or 9 cents, even 7 cents before making that big push up. But as a long-term project, I have a lot of faith in Enjin. Now it's currently sitting at a $1 billion market cap. I think it can get into the top 10, and that's guesstimating a $20 billion market cap. If it got to where Binance was now, at a low, that's going to be a $40 billion market cap. So you're talking about a 10 to 20 times move on a project that has massive upside, tons of use cases, very legitimate partners, a whole ecosystem built already, an Ethereum scaling solution that's free. It's going to be linked with other blockchains and ecosystems as well. So the future is looking very bright for Enjin. Do your own due diligence in DCA when you're going to be purchasing some Enjin. This isn't a video to tell you to buy. This is just a video to tell you to put this on your radar and buy it when the time is right. And that about wraps up this video. Hope everyone has an amazing day.